got no filter anymore.
Hiya, welcome back to the channel. So we've got a Citroen C1, and this one hasn't got this issue, but yours might have this issue where it seems like it's flattened down on power, and you could be getting fault codes for the VVT, which stands for variable vulva timing. So if you're getting them issues, then this could be worth watching. Now I've already shown how to remove and clean out and replace, if required, the VVT solenoid, which is that bit there. But what I didn't show is that there is actually sort of a hidden oil filter on these, which, well, it's an oil screen which goes to that, and it can get blocked up. So in this video I'm going to show how to remove and clean that. Yeah, first need to remove that one. Oosh. Yes. And that gives us some room, because otherwise that dipstick tube is just, it's just in the fucking way, really. So if I put this down here, you'll be able to see where the filter is. Now, directly underneath the VVT solenoid, there is a hexagon or an Allen key plug to remove. It's in there, so I'm going to take that out next. And this is an 8mm Allen key. Now, when you're trying to put this in here, it's quite easy to try and put it in this. There is the wrong hole here, which it's sort of like if you're doing it by feel and you can't see, it is easy to get confused. So I'll do that. Wasn't very tight, by the way. And then when I undo this, it's probably the wrong one. A load of coolant will piss out. And it seems like it's supposed to pull out with the plug, but mine didn't, and it fell back inside, so I had to get some little pliers. But this is the filter I'm talking about. And now I've got it out, we can have a close look at it, and it does look like it is plugged up with some shite, that. So we're just going to use some brake parts cleaner and well, just blast it out. I've got a piece of paper to try and catch any of the bits that come off. And yep, that is actually quite a lot of shit coming off it. That is a lot better, but if you do have access to an airline, then it's not going to do any harm blasting it out with that as well. So I just took a Stanley blade to splay these out a little bit, because this seems like it's going to clip into there a little bit and come out with that, which it didn't do. Not that it makes any difference. Fibre wash on there if you do want to replace it. I think it's a 14mm, but I'm not going to bother, so let's put the shit back in. Yes, not forgetting to tighten it up to a taut setting of absolutely no idea what that is. So I'm just going to do it that tight. And then that should be done. And now all that you've left to do is to reposition your dipstick nice and lovingly, and then give it a good screw with this. Not forgetting to torque it up to a taut setting that's tight enough but not too tight. And then start it up in a gingerly manner to make sure it still does. And then you're just left to enjoy the smooth power delivery of your 1K RFE. So I think that's it for this one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the usual shit. And I'll see you next time.